Good morning and welcome to NYFP. This morning I'm joined by Bruno del Ama, CEO of Global X Funds. Hi Bruno, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
Well, your company has just rung the opening bell here at the New York Stock Exchange, and I know this is in commemoration of 3 new products that you have launched. Could you briefly tell the audience about these products?
Sure, we launched 3 new products, the Pure Gold Miners ETF, ticker symbol GGGG, that invest in gold mining companies around the world. We also launched an oil equity ETF that will be oil producing companies all over the world. And lastly, we did a S&P TSX Venture Canada ETF, that is the junior exchange in Canada that invests primarily in junior mining, explorations, and energy companies.
Well, Bruno, there has been plenty of volatility in the markets, and there's been a lot of risk on and risk off in the investments. But in terms of commodities, what can investors do right now in terms of protecting themselves?
Well, I think commodities are a great place to be when you see volatility in the market. Certainly on the precious metal space, gold and silver, great place to be as you move into a new monetary system where the US dollar is becoming less prominent. That is going to take place over months to come. We expect that trend to continue. More broadly, in terms of some industrial commodities, obviously what's happening in Japan, there has to be reconstruction, so you would see several materials such as copper that we also do expect to outperform.
Okay, Bruno, last but not least, before we wrap it up, could you give us a little bit more detail about the TSX ETF?
Sure, the TSX Venture exchange is the junior exchange in Canada. It obviously represents small cap companies. A lot of them are very early exploration companies, so they're really just finding new resources all over the world. And so it's a play that incorporates a lot of risk because obviously they're early on their stages of exploration, but the potential return is also great if they do find whether it's gold, mineral, oil. And so, obviously an ETF is a good way to invest in that market because it's diversified across a number of stocks.
Okay, Bruno, thanks today for your time and congratulations on the opening bell.
Thank you for having me.